Removing the rear bumper on the MK3 Seat Ibiza. Start by removing both outer rear lights. Got two T25 Torx. Once you've got the two screws out, you've just got two clips holding the light here. As you can see. And then you've got another of these clips. Now remove 4 more T25 Torx from each wheel arch. Now underneath the car you've got another 3 T25 Torx screws on each side. And now all you've got are 3 T25 Torx screws on the tops where the lights were removed. Now you've removed all the screws, basically all you've got holding the bumper in position are these areas here, and you've got 2 big lugs around here and here, just about here and here. So if you pull the bumper from each corner, top and bottom, don't forget you've got the number plate wiring connectors to undo. That's where the lugs were. And that's the bumper removed.